Baladeva appears in this world, and he appears in the heart and consciousness of any jiva who is inclined towards the pure service of Krishna. And he turns that jiva or that devotee into a holy dham. The example of Baladeva's appearance in the heart of Vasudeva, in the prison house of Kamsa in Mathura 5,000 years ago. Baladeva appeared there in the heart of Vasudeva, and then Devaki, who was of the pure service mood, purely surrendered to Vasudeva, purely dedicated, she received that Balaram in her heart. And then Balaram established a holy dham in the heart of Devaki, filled her full of spiritual power, filled her full of spiritual knowledge, and saturated her entire being with a service attitude and service propensity. And then when he was transferred from the womb of Devaki to the womb of Rohini, what he left behind is he left his influence of his power. The influence of Baladeva's power means that Devaki had become transformed into a holy dham, suitable for the Lord's lila, for Krishna to come and have his lila, his Janmotsava, Janma lila. So Guru creates the dham in the heart of the disciple. He creates a serving cognition. He creates a serving consciousness, the pure serving attitude, the pure surrendered attitude of Devaki. And when that holy dham is fully adjusted and fully established in the heart of the disciple, then Krishna will manifest there. There will be a Janmashtami there. So Baladeva is that power-giving God. He's appeared in this world to infuse strength in everyone and to empower us. He's that same Baladev came as Nityananda to distribute the truth, to distribute Krishna in a very magnanimous and wonderful form, the Namhat, Nityananda's Namhat. So Balaram has come to freely distribute spiritual power to everyone. Everyone can become empowered, everyone can get the spiritual power and become a spiritual powerhouse. Every single jiva on this planet, 6 billion jivas running around this planet, they can become 6 billion powerhouses. No need for any outside power, no need for solar power, nuclear power, atomic power, hydropower. Everyone will be a generating station. Every single jiva will be a generating powerhouse of love, powerhouse of surrender, a powerhouse of dedication, beauty, service, harmony, peace, fulfillment, cooperation. This is the nature of real spiritual power that is imbued and infused with all the aspects of Balaram, the pure service attitude, the aspect of beauty and bliss, Nityananda, eternal joy and bliss that comes from harmoniously energizing ourselves in relation to Krishna and serving Him. So Baladeva is that self-same Nityananda, who is actually an aspect of Krishna. Lord Balaram came into this world as Nityananda to actually give freedom to every living being. That is the real power, the power of freedom. Now we're bound. What power do we have? So much power of intellectual power, mental power, physical power, power yoga, this and that. But we're so powerful, but we're locked in a cage. We're like a powerful tiger locked in a cage of a zoo. What can he do? He's trapped. He can't do anything with all his power. He's no longer the king of the jungle. He's the king of the cage, roaring in frustration, pacing back and forth. So real power is the power of freedom. The power of freedom comes only from God, because only God can free one from the material world.